Today, I will be showing you how to tow a vehicle in an emergency on the side of the road. You can use a ratchet strap, a set of chains, or in our case, we'll be using tow straps made specifically for this. What you will want to do before beginning this process of towing another vehicle is by finding your hazard switch to let others on the road know there is an emergency. So you will go to the driver's side door, open it, and usually the hazard switch is on the steering column. You will want to turn that on, and if you have it, you will want to turn on your emergency tow light to let others know that there's an emergency on the road and they need to be cautious while going around you. Alright, with the vehicle that will be towed, you will want to make sure your hazards are on and leave them on, and make sure your vehicle is in neutral so that it can be towed without causing any damage. Alright, what you'll want to do is start reversing toward the vehicle. You'll want to be about 12 foot away from your tail end to the front of their vehicle. Alright, to attach the tow strap, you'll want to feed in the strap through the bottom of the hook, then feed this end through there so that it can tighten on. You'll pull this all the way out. Now with this end that you have left, you'll want to take it on to your hitch. You will want to put it around the balls and make sure, give it a tug that it's not coming loose. The next step is to get in the vehicle and safely drive away. But make sure you have someone in that second vehicle to turn the wheel, because that truck right now has no control in it. You'll want to stay below 15 miles an hour because this is a very dangerous thing. Now it's time to go. Since it was nighttime, I'm wearing a high visibility jacket. It is very recommended to wear a high visibility jacket, not just in the night, but during the day too. It allows drivers to have more visibility when driving by you, especially when you are getting out of your vehicle. That concludes my demonstrative speech on how to tow a vehicle in an emergency from the side of the road. Cut. Hey, is that a woman over there?
Where?